Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to have a summaries in chapter 10, which is entitled Application Layer. So, let's start. In the 10.1 Application Layer Protocols, explain the operation of the application layer in providing support to end-user application. Explain how the functions of the application layer, session layer, and presentation layer work together to provide network services to end-user applications. Explain how common application layer protocols interact with end-user applications. 10.2 Well-known application protocols and services. Explain how well-known TCP or IP application layer protocols operate. Explain how web and email protocols operate. Explain how DNS and DHCP operate. Explain how file transfer protocols operate. So, let's start in the 10.1, which is the application layer protocols. Application layer, closest to the end user, used to exchange data between programs running on the source and destination host. There is the OSI model and the TCP IP model. In the OSI model, there are application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. While in the TCP or IP model, there is application, transport, internet, network access. The domain name system, hypertext transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, post office protocol, dynamic host configuration protocol, file transfer protocol, internet message access protocol. Presentation layer, function, formatting data at the source device into a compatible form for the receiving device, compressing data, encrypting data. Session layer function, create and maintain dialogues between source and destination applications. The QuickTime, motion picture experts group or MPEG, graphics interchange format, which is GIF, or joint photographic experts group or JPEG, portable networks graphics or PNG. The TCP IP application layer protocols. The domain name server DNS TCP UDP 53 translates domain names such as cisco.com into IP addresses. BootP or Bootstrap protocol. BootP is being superseded by DHCP. Dynamic host configuration protocol or DHCP UDP client 68 server 67 dynamically assigns IP addresses to client stations at startup. Simple Mail Transport Protocol SMTP TCP 25 enables client to send email to a mail server. Post Office Protocol enables clients to retrieve email from a mail server. Internet Message Access Protocol or IMAP TCP 143 enables clients to retrieve email from an email server, maintains email or server. File Transfer Protocol or FTP TCP 20 and 23 reliable connection oriented and acknowledged file delivery protocol. Trivial File Transfer Protocol or TFTP QDP simple connectionless file transfer protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is HTTP TCP 8080 set of rules for exchanging text, graphs, images, etc. on the World Video Wide Web. Hypertext and the client-server model. Client and server processes are considered to be in the application layer. Application layer protocols describe the format of the requests and responses between clients and servers. Example of a client-server network is using an ISP email Service send, receive, and store email. Peer-to-peer networks. Data is accessed from a peer device without the use of a dedicated server. Each device, known as a peer, can function as both a server and a client. Application allows a device to act as both a client and a server within the same communication. P2P applications require that each end device provide a user interface and run a background service. Common P2P networks include G2, Bitcoin, BitTorrent, eDonkey. Some P2P applications are based the Gin Nutella protocol, where each user shares whole files with other users. Many P2P applications allow users share pieces of many files with each other at the same time. This is BitTorrent technology. In 10.2, we have well-known application layer protocols and services. When a web address or uniform resource locator or URL is typed into a web browser and the web browser establishes a connection to the web service running on the server using the HTTP protocol. Water break. Daming baso. Okay. HTTP is a request or response protocol. Three common HTTP message types are GET or GET, a client request for data; POST, uploads data files to the web server; PUT, uploads resources or content to the server; and HTTP secure HTTPS protocol uses encryption and authentication to the secure data. Email protocols. Email clients communicate with servers to send and receive email. Mail servers communicate with others mail servers to transfer messages from one domain to another. Pre-protocols for email. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol or SMTP to send email, Post Office Protocol or POP to retrieve email, and the Internet Message Access Protocol or IMAP to retrieve email. The SMTP is used to send email. Is the recipient in my list of recipients? No. Forward email to another server. POP operation. POP is used to retrieve email from a mail server. Email is downloaded from the server to the client and then deleted on the server. IMAP is used to retrieve mail from a mail server. Copies of messages are downloaded from the server to the client, and the original messages are stored on the server. Domain names. Convert the numeric address into a simple recognizable name. The DNS protocol defines an automated service that matches resources names with the required numeric network address. When a client makes a query, the server's DNS process first looks at its own records to resolve the name. If unable to resolve, it contacts other servers to resolve the name. The server temporarily stores the numbered address in the event that the same name is requested again. The ipconfig display DNS command displays all of the cache ba yun? Cache?
Oo.
DNS in entries on a Windows PC. DNS hierarchy. A hierarchy of DNS servers contains the resource records that match names with addresses. NS lookup, a utility that allows a user to manually query the name servers to resolve a given host. The dynamic host configuration. the DHCP. The DHCP is usually employed for end-user devices. The DHCP v6 provides similar services for IPv6 clients. FTP requires two connections between the client and the server, one for the commands and replies, the other for the actual file transfer. The summary, the tutorial, the implement services. So, in this summary, you should explain the operation of the application layer in the providing support to end-user applications. And I also explain how well-known TCP or IP application layer protocols operate. So, that's all for the chapter 10. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my other videos that will be uploaded. Bye guys! Thank you!